how much should you actually spend on a dive watch? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Casio MRW200H. First up, we have the Casio MRW200H. At just $23.97, this unisex analog watch caught my attention for its solid build and impressive specs for the price. If you want a reliable dive watch without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why the MRW200H stands out. It boasts a water resistance of 330 feet, which is perfect for recreational swimming and water sports. The Japanese quartz movement ensures you won't miss a beat with accurate timekeeping, and the rotating bezel adds functionality for timing your dives. Plus, with a 3-year battery life, you won't be changing the battery anytime soon. With over 1,000 units sold just last month, it's clear others see the value too. Now, some users mentioned that the watch can feel a bit bulky, especially if you have smaller wrists. But here's the thing. For the price, you're getting a durable watch built for action. And that bulkiness could actually be a plus for some folks looking for a sturdier feel. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want a watch that can handle some water adventures. Skip this one if you need a more sophisticated design or features, but for under $25, it offers great value. Now, if the bulkiness of the MRW200H bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, LN Lenkian Watch. Next, we have the LN Lenkian Men's Watch, priced at only $9.98. Honestly, I was surprised at how stylish this watch looked for such a low price. If you want an affordable everyday watch that still looks sharp, this one's worth considering. This watch is made with a stainless steel case that not only looks good, but is also quite durable. The luminous dial means you can easily read the time, even in low light. Plus, it offers 3 ATM water resistance, which makes it suitable for hand washing and light rain. It's great for everyday wear, and you won't have to worry too much about it getting damaged during your daily activities. With thousands of units sold recently, it seems like many are catching on to this hidden gem. However, some buyers pointed out that the water resistance isn't ideal for swimming or diving. But here's the deal. If you're just looking for a casual watch that can handle light exposure to water, this isn't a deal breaker. If you need something more robust for diving, you might want to look elsewhere. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an everyday watch that won't empty your wallet. Skip this one if you plan to take it swimming or diving, as it's not meant for those activities. For under $10, it's hard to beat the value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more water resistance. Product number 3, Casio MDV106, which comes in at $49.92. Now let's talk about the Casio MDV106, which comes in at $49.92. This one caught my eye for its impressive water resistance and sleek design. If you want a solid dive watch that doesn't break the bank, this is definitely worth a serious look. With 200 meters of water resistance, this watch is perfect for diving and snorkeling. The stainless steel case not only makes it look great, but provides the durability you need in an everyday watch. The anti-reverse rotating bezel is a fantastic feature for timing your dives, and the luminous markers ensure visibility underwater. Its quartz movement is reliable, and thousands of people have bought it just this month, so the popularity speaks for itself. However, I did come across some complaints about the watch being a bit heavy for some wearers. But honestly, I didn't find it uncomfortable. The weight adds to its solid feel, and if you're serious about a dive watch, it's a small price to pay for durability. This is perfect for you if you're an active person who enjoys water sports and needs a reliable watch. Skip this if you prefer something lightweight and minimalist, but for the price, it's a fantastic option. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more style and functionality, the next watch on our list might just suit your taste. Product number 4, Citizen EcoDrive Weekender Watch. Next up is the Citizen Men's EcoDrive Weekender Watch, priced at $176.98. This one really impressed me with its stylish design and innovative solar technology. If you want a blend of style and eco-friendliness, this watch is definitely worth considering. The EcoDrive technology means you'll never have to replace the battery.
it's powered by any light source. Plus, with a 100-meter water resistance, it's perfect for swimming and snorkeling. The stainless steel case and blue polyurethane strap give it a sporty yet classy look. With features like a date display and a mineral crystal, it stands out from typical dive watches. Customers rave about its long-term performance, and over 400 have bought it in just the last month. However, some users did mention that the strap can feel a bit stiff initially. But I'll be real with you, after a few wears, it starts to loosen up and become more comfortable. For a watch that combines style with function, this minor issue doesn't overshadow its benefits. This is perfect for you if you want a watch that's fashionable and functional. Skip this if you prefer a more traditional dive watch, but the value for a solar-powered watch is fantastic. Finally, if you're still looking for more variety, check out our last pick, which offers a balance of features and affordability.
Product number 5, Casio MDV 106 series. Last but not least, we have another Casio MDV 106 series watch, available for $71.96. I have to say, this one really impressed me with its features and durability. If you want a reliable dive watch that strikes a balance between price and functionality, this is worth a look. With a 200-meter water resistance, this watch is built for serious diving. The stainless steel case and adjustable resin band provide comfort and durability. The anti-reverse bezel is a must-have for any diver, and the luminous markers ensure you can always check the time, even underwater. There have been over 300 sales recently, indicating it's a popular choice among buyers. Some reviewers said that the watch can be slightly bulky, which may not suit everyone. But here's the thing, if you're diving or swimming, that bulk means it's built to withstand some serious conditions. For those who need a dependable dive watch, that bulkiness can be a benefit. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a watch that can handle serious underwater adventures. Skip this if you want something lightweight for everyday wear, but for the features it offers, it's a solid investment.
So there you have it. From the budget-friendly Casio MRW 200H to the stylish Citizen Eco Drive Weekender, each watch has its unique strengths. Whether you're looking for something casual, serious for diving, or a blend of style and function, there's an option here for every budget. Take your pick based on what fits your lifestyle best.